I'm Peter Rutter, founder of VFE Pedals and teacher at Idea High School. Let me tell you some of my story.
In 2006, two things happened that would alter the course of my life. I met my future wife, and I started playing the electric guitar. I quickly went on a tonal exploration of audio effects, eventually leading me to build my own pedals using kits from BYOC within just 2 years. But I didn't stop there. My curiosity in sonic creations and my background in math and physics drove me to modify and customize my designs. My mod ideas got so complex that I had to teach myself how to design circuit boards so I could more easily build the pedals I was still learning to design. At the time, I was just a private school teacher making about $25,000 a year. I couldn't afford to keep my pedal creations, so I sold them on eBay so I could buy more parts and design more pedals. By 2010, VFE Pedals was born, and I was a full-time entrepreneur. I spent the next 6 years refining my designs and learning about the business side of manufacturing and retail. But after the birth of our first son, Theo, in 2015, I began looking for a job with consistent income and benefits, and I struck gold. But a new, innovative school was launching in the fall of 2016 called Idea. The vision for the school was to teach future designers and engineers through project-based learning. And as soon as I got the job, I immediately started clearing out my VFE inventory and designed a simple pedal lineup that I could manage while teaching. And over the next 6 years, I continued to reduce the amount of time dedicated to VFE pedals as my family grew. The VFE website is now only dedicated to DIY resources because I don't have the time to regularly build pedals. I am now at the final phase of this transition, making all of the custom and proprietary parts used in my designs for VFE available to everyone. This way, DIY enthusiasts and authorized builders can build part-for-part copies of VFE pedals, including future designs. But I need your help to take this last step. I've created multiple perks to help raise the funds I need. There is a new version of the pinball that combines the original pinball tilt EQ and the standout mid booster into one pedal. I've created an updated version of the SBS switching system that is more power efficient, quieter, and more flexible for DIY builders. A full-featured dual VCO Eurorack module I made initially for students is available only through this campaign. There are also limited time perks for a custom VFE pedal, Klein bottle mixer looper, and many DIY options.
Thank you for your support over this 15-year journey. Everything that I've been able to do at VFE and at Idea has been possible because of your support. And I'm asking one more time for you to support me move forward into this next phase of my journey as a teacher. Thank you.